Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the amazing health benefits of clove water and how you can add it to your wellness routine. If you're looking for natural ways to improve digestion, enhance your immune system, or simply add a little spice to your daily hydration, this video is for you. Are you curious about natural remedies that can change your health game? Stick around to discover why clove water might just be the secret you've been searching for. So, what exactly is clove water? Clove water is made by steeping whole cloves in water, releasing powerful compounds like eugenol. This natural remedy has been used for centuries for its antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. It's a simple, cost-effective way to support your overall health. Here are some incredible benefits of drinking clove water. 1. Boosts immunity. Clove water is rich in antioxidants that help fight free radicals. This not only supports your immune system, but also helps in reducing oxidative stress. 2. Improves digestion. Drinking clove water can stimulate digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and relieving discomfort like gas and bloating. 3. Reduces inflammation. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, clove water can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. 4. Enhances oral health. Clove has been traditionally used for dental care. Rinsing your mouth with clove water may help reduce bacteria, soothe gum pain, and prevent bad breath. 5. Antibacterial benefits. One of the standout properties of clove water is its antibacterial effect. The natural compounds in cloves can help combat harmful bacteria in your body, which supports overall health and can even help in preventing infections. 6. Supports metabolism. Some studies suggest that clove water can boost your metabolism, assisting in weight management and overall energy levels. Now let's get into the fun part, how to make your own clove water at home. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, preferably filtered. 7 whole cloves. Optional: a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for extra flavor and benefits. Instructions: 1. Boil the water. Start by boiling 1 cup of water in a small pot. 2. Add the cloves. Once the water reaches a boil, add 7 whole cloves. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. 3. Steep and strain. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it steep for an additional 5 minutes. Strain the water into your favorite cup. 4. Enhance your brew. For added taste and extra health benefits, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey while the water is still warm. For best results, drink clove water on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. This helps kickstart your metabolism and allows your body to absorb the beneficial compounds more effectively. You can also enjoy a cup after meals to aid digestion, but make sure it's not too hot to preserve the delicate compounds in cloves. Tips: consistency is key. Make clove water a part of your daily routine to notice long-term benefits. Listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort, reduce the number of cloves or consult with a healthcare professional. Combine with a healthy lifestyle. Remember, clove water is a fantastic supplement to a balanced diet and regular exercise, not a replacement. That's it for today's video on the health benefits of clove water and how to take it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips, and drop a comment below with your experience or questions about clove water. Remember to share this video with anyone who might benefit from a natural boost in health. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on natural remedies and healthy living. Until next time.